Hey y'all, it's Ann at Georgia Campers and Alabama Campers, and this is a brand new 2026 28 VC. It's from Salem FSX. It's toy hauler. It's got a party porch. Can't wait to show you inside. Don't forget, before we get started, just click that little bitty icon down there in the corner and you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, y'all, let's go in. All right, y'all, check out this 28 VC from Salem FSX. Look how much light is in here. It is like you're sitting on a back porch with the screened-in porch, which essentially you are. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But the first thing I'm going to show you is two very important things in this camper. And in this back area where there's so much light and a screen, you've got two AC units. So there's my two very important things. Now check this out. Look at this long island. I'm going to walk around real quick. Look at this long island. Not Long Island. Ha! Anyway, look at the long island now, but look at this. This drops down. So you can have a bar if you want to. Personally, I'd be having a party, having guac and salsa and margaritas on this spot. But check it out. Both sides come down, but with them up, look at how much party room you've got to entertain. Here's another great feature. Even with them up, you can get to your storage down here. There are so many thoughtful things in this 28 VC. All right, we're going to start up here. So look at this. Look at this beautiful painting. Actually, it's not a painting. It's just a way to show you where your TV goes, which is right there. Gives you an idea what size goes here, and it has the mounting on it. You've got big space up top. 4 cubbies. All right, now check this out. Overhead storage in the kitchen. Super nice. Plenty of space here for a coffee pot, air fryer, whatever you might want right here, because you've got a plug in that corner. Y'all check out the width of these drawers. These are not shabby drawers. These are big, deep wooden drawers. Utensils. Anything can go in there. Towels. You've got a 3-burner stove and a microwave here, and you've even got a little storage drawer right here underneath. All right. Standard 12-volt fridge. Plenty of space for everything. Plenty of space for all the things you need to entertain. Big storage space and deep because it goes all the way to the depth of the fridge. All right, now check this out. You've got this big sofa. You've got cup holders on either side. You have an ottoman. Plenty of space here. The edges are recliners. But let me show you your view. So right here in this 28 VC, now of course, you see one of our sister campers there. That's just a Salem, but this is a Salem FSX. But y'all check out the windows. Check out how much light is in this camper, even though I'm tight next to the camper next to us. We've got the blade lighting. Again, the feature of this bar with these side tables, so cool. But then let's look at the party porch. Now, this is a great way for a versatile toy hauler to do two things at once. So first of all, you've got your tie downs. So we've got tie downs all on the floor. So you know how much space you've got, and that'll be on our website, the dimensions of what kind of golf cart or side-by-side can go in here. But they've taken a ramp, which used to be just a ramp. It had no extra, and now they've made it a party porch. So here I am. So these slide right open. And guys, they're screened. No more of these screens that hang down. These are like doors. They do float away, and then they open up to give you all the space to come in. But guys, look, you got a party porch. A big old party porch. Plenty of space. These little screens right here kind of tie in right here so that, you know, an animal or child can't go through that space, which I think is great because then your dogs can come out here. But this party porch, these screens, all right, so let me show you something else that I think is just fantastic. So we've got here, lock it up. And then right now we've got screens everywhere. So you've got so much airflow coming in and out. And then what down here? To close them, there's 2 tabs, and this piece of glass slides up. So if it's wintertime and you want to be nice and cozy and you don't necessarily want the cool air, no problem. Guys, I know I've spent like 4 whole minutes just in this space, but it's got so many features I couldn't help it. Control panels right here. All right, let's talk here about the bathroom. Got a big shower, skylight. You've got storage over here. Potty's got plenty of knee space. I'm going to give it 3 out of 5. Space down here for storage towels. Underneath storage. All right, and then let's check out the bedroom. I think the bedroom is probably the last thing to think about because you're going to be mostly up there in the party area. But nice big bed, super roomy. You've got your shelves on each side, Shelves here, you've got a USB A and C here. Over here, you've got a USB A and C there, along with outlets. Another space for a television. Then you've got these adjustable shelves and bins. So if you want to make this just one shelf, you've got multiple shelves here, you can do that. But guys, there's room for a washer dryer. I mean, is there anything in this camper that you need that you wouldn't have? Wardrobe storage here. Wardrobe storage there. Oh, and we've got our pass-through open so you can see. You can drop your laundry right down there. Super easy. Also, no need to take up extra space with the door. So we've got the sliding door. We've got vented ducts for your AC because remember, there are 2 ACs in this 2026 28 VC from Salem FSX. Y'all got to come check this out.